Alrighty everyone, I am going to do the lemonade question, chapter 15, section 2, question 20. Here it is, talking about a lemonade stand. You have 10 gallons of lemonade to sell. 1 gallon is about 3,785 centimeters cubed. You need to know how many paper cups, how many packages of paper cups, and if you drink 80% of the lemonade, how many cups will be left over, okay? So that's that question, and I have it written here. So there's my lovely paper cup with everything I kind of just said, and we'll just go through this piece by piece, okay? And we will start with part A, okay? I'm gonna come right here. You can see okay. Part A, how many paper cups will you need? Assuming each customer gets 1 cup of lemonade. So what we would need to do is figure out the volume of the cup, okay? Again, the diameter is 8 centimeters, so the radius is 4 centimeters. This is a cone, so we are 1/3 base area times height. So 1/3 pi r squared h. Remember, that's your formula for volume of a cone, and we will leave everything in terms of pi. So equals 1/3. I'm gonna put pi at the end since it kind of goes there anyways. My radius is 4 centimeters, so times 4 squared. The height of the cup is 11 pi. All right, 4 squared is 16. 16 times 11 times 1, so we have 176 over 3 pi. And I know that looks funny, but that's in terms of pi, and we leave it as a fraction because it's a repeating decimal, and we just want to leave it that way, okay? So the volume of each cup is about 184.3 centimeters cubed. And in your calculator, you would literally just punch in 176 divided by 3 times pi button, okay? So that's the volume of each cup, all right? But we have 10 gallons of lemonade, right? So we have to figure out, well, how many cups do we need? Okay, so I know, since this is the amount of lemonade per cup, if we come over here, we can set up a proportion. I know gallons, centimeters cubed. I know 1 gallon is 3,705 centimeters cubed. Okay, and we have 10 gallons of lemonade. So how many centimeters cubed would that be? Cross multiply, you get 37,850 centimeters cubed of lemonade. That's how much lemonade is in our big giant jug of lemonade to sell, okay? So this is how much lemonade we want to sell. This is how much each cup of lemonade holds. So we need to divide these two things to figure out how many cups we need. So I have 37,850 cubic centimeters of lemonade divided into my 184.3 cubic centimeter size cups, okay? And this gets me about 205.36, okay, which is great, but that means we have to round up because we need a little bit more of a cup. So you need 206 cups, okay? So there's your answer to part A, 206 cups, okay? So now we can go to part B, which says cups are sold in packs of 50. How many packs should you buy? So I'm going to come down here for part B. I have 206 divided by 50. That gets me 4.12. Well, I can't buy 0.12 packs of cups, so I'm going to have to buy 5 packages, okay, of cups. If I'm going to get 5 packages of cups, that means I'm going to have a total, so I need 5 packages, I'm going to have a total of 250 cups, okay? We're going to need that for part C, all right? So let me go down to my next page so I can show you part C. Okay, can you see that okay? All right, part C. Part C says how many cups will be left over. Remember, we have 250 cups. Okay, we just figured it out. We have 250 cups. and we're going to drink 80% of the lemonade. So 80% of the total amount of lemonade, which is 37,850 cubic centimeters of lemonade. So we have 30,280 centimeters cubed. So this is 80% of the lemonade right there, okay? So how do we figure out how many cups we need? Well, back in the other problems, we figured out how much lemonade is in each cup. So if I take my 30,280 cubic centimeters, divide it by the amount that each cup holds, which was 184.3. We figured that out way back in problem 1. That gets me 164.3. Again, we can't put 0.3, just let that spill over. So we need 165 cups to serve our 80% of the amount of lemonade we have. But part C asks how many cups are left over. Remember, we had purchased 5 packages, which was 250 cups. We're going to use 165 of them. That means I have 85 cups left over. Okay, another multi-step problem. Let's go back and look at it. Here's our cup. We want to know how many of these we needed. Okay, so we find the volume of the cup. We have 10 gallons of lemonade, so that means we need about 206 cups. Okay, cups only come in packages of 50, so we needed 5 packages, which gives us 250 cups total. Then we didn't sell all 10 gallons, right? We only sold 80% of the lemonade.